Good morning, guys. So right now, you guys, I'm just getting ready for the day, so that's what I'm doing. Grace is playing with the extra sauce, so you guys, look at that, you guys. She's so content in there too.
Peekaboo.
Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Grace. Some crap to do, you guys. Looks so good. It's gonna look so good. So right now, you guys, we're getting ready for Nana's anniversary. Nana and Papa's 50th anniversary, so that's what we're doing. This is Grace's outfit, you guys, for Nana and Papa's anniversary. This is sound asleep, you guys. So that's our outfit of the day, you guys.
For right now.
For right now.
Something cuter underneath.
Yeah. So
she
right now.
She also has a little bow, and she's wearing shoes, friends.
Yeah.
It's so cute.
Cooking up a storm for Nana and Papa's 50th anniversary.
Is that so funny?
So we got home an hour ago, so we are just relaxing, trying to put our feet up. So that's what we're doing. So I'm going to today's video. I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do tomorrow with my new video. Goodbye.